I'm crawling for you, and I'm stuck in the loop. Ready, I'm crawling for you, and I'm stuck in the loop. Ready, I'm crawling for you. Don't be calling me royalty. Ready, I'm crawling for you. I know. Ready, I'm crawling for you. Don't be calling me royalty. Ready, I'm crawling for you. We were playing with fire. We're just getting started, baby. Everything turned to dust. I can't control myself lately.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out. If your enemies are road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day with the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he throws me. He gets caught real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop too.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This is ain't love.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. You can say that I'm nothing, but you don't know me, no you don't know me. I'll be rising above it. Can you go on me, can you go? You stole the thing left from mine. Talk is cheap, so why don't we just take a step?
Gave you all that I could give, but it wasn't enough. Oh, oh. Tried to show me how to